Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Dr. Vince Presents. I am your host, Dr. Vince Leone. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to cover how to create an ultimate guide for your practice. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and dig in and let's get right into the content. Okay, so today's topic is how to create an ultimate guide for your practice. Now, first of all, why would we want to do this? Well, first we want to maximize the traffic that's going to our website because of course we do want people to call and set up an appointment or fill out a web form and come in for an appointment, but not everybody does that. Some people just come to learn information. And so first of all, I'd say you need to know what the traffic looks like on your website. So get Google Analytics installed, and if you don't have a Google account, just create one, and then you'll be able to just go to that very easily. Your website company can install that very, very easily. It's simple. But so first, find out how much traffic you're getting, and but we want to maximize that traffic because again, not everyone's going to make an appointment. So we do want to give them something. No one's going to sign up for your crappy email newsletter. I'm sorry to tell you. No one cares about it. I mean, it's bad information. It's very mundane. The website companies put it out. Don't do it. We need something valuable that people will trade for an email address. Okay, so that's one. Maximize the traffic. We want to build our list. Our email list is can be very valuable in the future because we can continue to communicate with them and they will see us as a valuable source of information if we provide value. And then finally, we want to pre-educate and pre-motivate people to work with us. If they come to our website, they're not ready to sign up for care for whatever reason, but they get your ultimate guide to chiropractic or knee pain or sciatica or whatever it is, they're going to see you as an authority figure, they're going to see you as an author, and they're going to say, hey, this guy knows what he's talking about. So why don't I go to him when I need a chiropractor? Okay, so next, how long should it be? Well, they say it should be between 10 and 25,000 words. So 10,000 words is about 20 pages single spaced or 40 pages double spaced. And you're like, whoa, that's a lot. Look, guys, it doesn't have to be that long. Those are just the guidelines, okay? So the point being, though, is you want it comprehensive. You want it to detail everything about your topic. So make sure it's not, kind of a half-assed job because you don't want someone to download it and be like, oh, this sucks. You want them to say, wow, this guy really knows what he's talking about. So about 10,000 words. If it's a little less, big deal. Just make sure it's very comprehensive. Topic. Number 3, what should the topic be? Well, what do you want it to be, right? I mean, what do you want to, what are you an expert in? What do you want to tell people about? It could be like everything you ever wanted to know about chiropractic or how to choose a chiropractor and not get screwed. Don't do that one. But the 5 steps to picking a great chiropractor, how about that? Or everything you ever wanted to know about treating knee pain effectively. Something along those lines, or sciatica, or carpal tunnel, or migraines, or peripheral neuropathy, whatever. Like I am creating a guide, an ultimate guide, how to attract, convert, and treat peripheral neuropathy patients, everything you ever wanted to know. So that is going to be for me and my potential clients. You guys, maybe, who knows, but it's going to be everything I've learned since 2010, being an expert in peripheral neuropathy, attracting and converting and treating those patients. I'm going to put into this ultimate guide. So you guys do that for your patients. What do you specialize in? Do you specialize in knee pain, sciatica? You're like, but Dr. Vince, I treat everything. Of course you do. So do I. But it's good to be a specialist. Specialists get paid more in money. So and all my clients, I recommend, hey, gotta specialize in something. Get really good at one thing. You can always treat everything, but get really good at one thing. Be a specialist in one thing. That's what you're gonna write your guide about. Now, you can do it about chiropractic and go that route. Not a problem. It's a great start. But, it's much easier to market a very specific niche. So that is number 3, the topic. How do you do it, Dr. Vince? Okay. What is it? Plan the work, then work the plan. Boom. So first we're going to outline it, right? Literally write out, okay, like a table of contents. Number 1, blah, 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 2, 3, 4, all the way, maybe like 10, something along those lines. But outline the entire thing, make it flow from, kind of broad strokes all the way down to the nitty gritty, okay? And so very simple, just outline it. Then schedule. Say, okay, I'm gonna write a half an hour a day or an hour a day or 20 minutes, whatever it is, but schedule it out so that it's in your day, in your daily planner so that you get it done, okay? And put a time frame. I'm gonna finish this within 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever it is. So outline it, schedule it, make it flow. Okay, so first you're gonna write it, but then go to Google, Mr. Googs, and get some pictures, whether it's for knee pain or whatever the different things are. Get some pictures in there, get some graphics in there, do bullet lists, do points, just make it so it's just not just dense text. People look at that and they start to get headaches. They're like, God, that's a lot of words. So no, you want to break it up with pictures, break it up with bullet points, lists, that type of thing, so that it just kind of flows, makes it very easy for the reader to actually read it and finish it, okay? So make it flow, then convert it into a PDF. If you're working in Microsoft Word, which is what I would recommend, when you're done, then very easy, just convert it to PDF. Then what do you do now? Okay, now you're gonna get it onto your website. Call your company, whatever website company you use, and say, hey, I wrote this amazing ultimate guide to X, and I want it on my website as a lead magnet, okay? They'll know exactly what you're talking about. So, and what you're gonna tell them is, hey, for that opt-in box where it says put in your name and email for this crappy ass newsletter you guys create, say, I want that name and email for my ultimate guide to effectively treating knee pain without drugs or surgery, okay? And then connect that to your CRM. We talked about a CRM in another episode. This is your customer relations manager. This is your Aweber. This is your MailChimp. I like ActiveCampaign personally. That's what I use. But that's your CRM. So, and then you want to create a list there for your website visitors or your Ultimate Guide subscribers, whatever it is, whatever you want to name it. And so you start building that list so that you can continue to contact them and talk to them down the line. And then finally, you also want to, print out a bunch of these, staple it, and give it to your patients, or do a mailing to your inactive patients. Even better, like start doing a mailing to your inactive patients, all those people that already know, like, and trust you. They're just not currently coming in for whatever reason. Mail them. Say, hey, I'm an author. I wrote this awesome ultimate guide on how to effectively treat knee pain without drugs or surgery. I just want you to know it or have it so that you can read it for yourself. Maybe you have knee pain, you'd like to learn more about it, or you know someone. Give it away. Give it as a gift for Christmas. Who knows? Point being is get it out there, okay? Get it on your website, post it on your Facebook page, all your social media platforms, mail it to your patients, provide it in the office for them. Get it out there. I mean, you should be proud of this. You put a lot of effort into this. Now use it. And of course, at the end, you want a call to action. If you would like to meet with Dr. Vince about your knee pain, and then have a link to your online scheduling platform. If you have one. If you don't, just have a number there so they can call your assistant. Okay, that's it. That is how to create an ultimate guide for your practice. And I hope that this has been super valuable for you, because guys, you are going to create patient prospects that are going to be pre-motivated, pre-educated, and pre-interested in you when they read something that is comprehensive, entertaining, interesting, and informative. Okay, so hey, if this was interesting, please subscribe, hit the red button. Also, if you hit that little bell, then it will give you a notification that a new episode is available. And if you'd like more free, awesome training like this, go to leoneconsulting.co. That is my micro MBA for chiropractors. It's a 3-video lesson on mindset, marketing, and systems to grow your practice. Did I mention it's free? Yes, it's free, and it's really, really good. So go check it out. I put a lot of effort into that. Don't let it go unused. Okay, I'm Dr. Vince. This is Dr. Vince Presents How to Create the Ultimate Guide for Your Practice. I hope this has been super valuable. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next week. Take care.